You're about to buy something online. It's sitting in your cart. You pause. Do I really need this? You think about the price. Maybe you should compare it somewhere else. Maybe you should wait until tomorrow. Then, you click buy now. Decision made. Have you ever wondered why that moment feels so short? Because Amazon has spent more than 2 decades trying to remove it completely. Not because it wants you to shop faster, but because it knows something most businesses don't. The most dangerous second in online shopping is the second before you decide not to buy. Amazon didn't become one of the world's biggest companies simply by selling more products. It became one of the smartest companies at removing hesitation. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why Amazon isn't just trying to make shopping easier. It's trying to make thinking unnecessary. Imagine you own an online store. 1 million people add products to their carts today, but almost 700,000 leave without buying anything. Nothing was wrong with the product, nothing was wrong with the price, they simply changed their minds. That tiny moment of hesitation costs online retailers billions of dollars every year. Jeff Bezos understood this long before most companies did. He realized the biggest competitor wasn't another website. It was indecision. Every extra click, every extra form, every extra question created another opportunity for customers to leave. So Amazon asked a simple question: what if buying something felt almost effortless? In 1999, Amazon introduced something that sounded incredibly simple: one-click ordering. Instead of filling out your address, typing your payment details, reviewing multiple pages, you pressed one button, and your order was complete. Many people thought it was just a convenience feature. It wasn't, it was a psychological breakthrough, because every step removed from the checkout process also removed another opportunity for doubt. The fewer decisions customers had to make, the more likely they were to finish the purchase. Amazon even patented one-click ordering for years, showing how valuable the company believed this simple idea was. It wasn't selling a faster button. It was protecting the moment when customers were most likely to change their minds. Think about everything Amazon has built: saved payment details, one-click ordering, Prime, same-day delivery, easy returns, buy again, Alexa voice shopping. At first, these look like separate features. They're not. They're all solving the same problem: reducing friction. Because friction creates thinking, and thinking often creates hesitation. Amazon understands something about human behavior. When a task feels easy, we do it. When it feels complicated, we postpone it. Amazon didn't train customers to buy more, it trained them to think less about buying. And over time, that became a habit. Here's what makes Amazon so fascinating. Most companies compete by improving the product. Amazon often competes by improving the process. The package arrives faster. Returning it becomes easier. Payment happens automatically. Recommendations become more accurate. Everything removes one more tiny obstacle. Individually, each improvement feels small. Together, they completely change customer behavior. That's why millions of people open Amazon before they even check other stores. Not necessarily because Amazon always has the lowest price, but because Amazon usually asks for the least effort. Convenience became the product. Most businesses ask, how can we convince more people to buy? Amazon asks a different question: what's making customers stop? That's a much better question, because growth doesn't always come from adding something new. Sometimes, it comes from removing what's already in the way. The next time you buy something on Amazon, pay attention, not to what you purchased, but to how little you had to think before buying it. Because Amazon never set out to build the world's easiest website. It set out to remove every reason for you to leave. And maybe, Amazon's greatest invention wasn't one-click ordering. It was turning convenience into a habit. If you enjoy uncovering the hidden strategies behind the world's biggest companies, subscribe to Brand Locally. Every week, we explore another business mystery hiding in plain sight.